Hey guys, what's happening? We're hanging out here with our friend and customer Adam, who had the 20mm lowering kit installed. So just a couple quick questions. And what was really the main purpose you intended on using your bike for?
I like hard enduro, extreme enduro type stuff.
Nice.
That's mainly what we ride. So I was looking for something that's a little bit closer to the ground, easier to dab, maybe a little more confidence standing through the gnarly stuff.
Right on. Sounds good. So how many hours do you have on your 20mm kit so far?
Probably about 10 or 15, I would say.
Okay.
Since getting it, I think I found like a new gear in my riding, so I'm able to. It's funny enough, you get it to be able to dab more, but I find myself standing a lot more, whereas before I was predominantly a sit-down rider. But just being that much closer to the ground just gives you that confidence to get up on the pegs and be in a better position for attacking some obstacles. So
nice.
Really been happy with it.
Oh, that's cool. Yeah, and then you're not losing a whole lot of ground clearance too. So
no.
20mm for all you SAE guys out there is about 7/8 of an inch. So, which is a good compromise all around. So that's awesome, man. Hey, thanks so much for taking the time, and glad you're stoked on your new setup.
No problem. Thanks, Rob.